back to my channel. So today is the 6th episode of the 2020 recipe challenge, and I will be doing 2 recipes involving chickpeas. So if you haven't figured that out, I will be doing hummus and falafel, or falafel as how they pronounce it the right way, I think. And the origin of this dish is quite controversial because a lot of people say that it originated from Egypt. Some say it's from Israel and some say it's Lebanon. I personally would think that it is a Lebanese recipe because I always eat this and I go to Lebanese restaurants to have falafel and of course the hummus as well. But just to play it safe, I think the best way to consider this is actually it's a Middle Eastern dish for both of these because it's actually well known in the Middle Eastern region. So when doing the hummus, you will need cooked chickpeas or canned ones. And of course, I also remove the skin here, which is very tedious, by the way, but it will actually give you that smooth texture in the end. And as for the falafel, you will need dried chickpeas soaked overnight or at least 24 hours in water. So of course, don't even try to cheat and like use canned chickpeas because it will not actually give you the right consistency when you're forming your falafels after, and it might actually break down when you're cooking it. So let me show you now and share with you how I did my own version of falafel and hummus. So for this recipe, I'm using 1.5 cups of dried chickpeas soaked overnight. It is necessary that you actually do this process. And I'm also using 1/2 cup of fresh parsley and 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro, small white onion, 3 garlic cloves, and of course our spices. We have here flour, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, coriander, and cumin. Let's get started.